Alright, welcome to Trade Recap, y'all. I ended up taking a trade today. Oops, wrong time frame. Let's go over how we took this trade. So just ignore all of this shit. This is from yesterday. Coming into market open, we could see that we dumped super heavy overnight. Um, I really wasn't looking for anything too specific, you know what I mean? But like if a trade opportunity presented itself, I was gonna execute. Um, so I seen that, we had these 1 hour highs marked out right here. We also had these fair value gaps right in here. These 1 hour fair value gaps was technically part of a higher time frame 4 hour fair value gap. We also had a 4 hour fair value gap right here and another 4 hour fair value gap all the way up here. Um, so coming into the day, we have a lot of bearish pressure. Um, so I seen that we had these 1 hour highs marked out. Um, then when market opened, we came up, took out these highs, took out these draws in liquidity up here, like these, lower time frame draws in liquidity, but we also took out the main high time frame draw. So what was I looking for now? I was honestly, because now on the higher time frame, we were starting to make like higher highs and higher lows up until this point. This is the only point to where we started to break character or break structure, change of character technically. We invalidated this 15-minute fair value gap here, and then we pushed below these 15-minute lows. We didn't end up closing them below them, so this could have been served as a liquidity sweep. Um, you know, and for me, this is where my break-even point was going to be targeting at these 15-minute lows. So I seen price, we came up, pushed into these gaps here, took out this 1 hour draw on liquidity. Um, so I was really just looking, just being vigilant, wasn't trying to rush into anything too fast. Um, I seen that we had this 2 minute fair value gap here upon market open that price was respecting, and that also we served this 2 minute liquidity sweep off of. So we were respecting this, price pushed up even higher, but then we started to, come back and retrace back to it. Then we had this 2 minute fair value gap here. So I wanted to see how price reacted off of that. As you can see, we respected that price zone, and also we invalidated this 1 minute gap right in here. So when I seen we invalidated this, I executed. Um, well, technically I didn't wait for the invalidation. It was more of I was looking at the higher time frame 2 minute, seeing that we were respecting the 2 minute, and higher time frame has higher power. Then we ended up invalidating it, um, setting my stop loss above these highs because this serves as a protected high now. I was targeting these 15-minute lows as break even, and then this higher time frame draw on liquidity for my take profit. Overall, pretty solid day today. Um, yeah, if you guys have any questions, have any thoughts, leave them in the comments. Drop a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. And y'all have a great rest of your day. Peace.